Here I am in Newbury Park with Sean. We are in January of 2010, the 21st of January, and I came by to visit my old friend Sean. And right now we're in Newbury Park on Windy. It's rained quite a bit, and you can see the tires on my car, how the river's just flowing up to the, whoa, it's really sticking up on top of the tire there. And if it gets much higher, I'm going to have to leave. This is Sean, my good friend, Sean Brenner, that I've known for a while. Just creating a little memory. And I'm just trying to get the rain. It's Sean. Cool guy, really mellow. Sean's always at peace, just like me. We're just mellow people. Out in the rain? Just the idea how much it's raining right here. We embrace. We love the rain. We love the rain. Yeah, look at those clouds moving. Actually, the Vikings are playing this weekend. Championship game?
Yeah, and I pray that they crush the New Orleans
me too.
Saints.
I like to see the 40-year-old, come and take over corporate, how they let him go, and how he's just Brett Favre. I hope he wins it all. If the water gets up to like where you sit on the car, then I'm gonna have to go, Sean.
Well,
yesterday,
look.
Yeah.
Yesterday, the water. I'll show you.
Yeah. Oh, well, so that means when people park their cars here, it actually the water gets inside the car.
Well.
Oh yeah. It's actually starting to get on the sidewalk right now. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should move, huh? You got
I haven't seen rain like this in a long time.
Couple years?
What? Yeah, a couple years.
Yeah. Whew. I'm gonna stop it.